Hey guys, I'm Amy Bollinger. This is basically me. I grew up in Yoder, Colorado for a little while, but right before third grade I moved to Lamar, which is a little tiny town in southeastern Colorado that you've never heard of, maybe driven through if you've driven Highway 50 through Colorado. While I was in Lamar, we jumped houses a few times, but the last house that we lived in was actually my grandfather's farm. It was a third generation farm, and each generation added to the house. We added an entire second floor because they have a huge family. So we needed to add 5 more bedrooms upstairs. I'm number 16 of 17 children. There's 9 boys and 8 girls. The biggest question I get is if I know all of their names. And yes, I do. Now birthdays, I get a little help from Facebook. Another interesting fact about me is that I love spicy food. My boyfriend actually put that on there. He thought it was an interesting fact, apparently. I intend to reply the class by thinking about how diversity is in the world and how it can bring us together as a society. Understanding how different lives can be similar is a good way to think about life, and I hope to understand things from the views of people from other walks of life and other life experiences. Just a little more about me. I love green and pink for everything. I love cats and turtles. Turtles are my favorite. I did band, show choir, cheerleading, soccer, and gymnastics when I was in high school. But that was quite a bit ago, like 3 years ago is when I graduated. But now I coach gymnastics and cheerleading at Airbound in Rexburg. I'm excited for life because my future is approaching really fast. I am about to graduate with my bachelor's degree in elementary education here in July. And I'm a social studies emphasis, so I love history and all things social. I'm a little late on this, just trying to get used to my new schedule. My bad, but that's pretty much all there is about me, and I'm looking forward to this class.